What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Actual auction day today, and I was the high bidder on this little car right here, but it was on a if sale or on a call. It's actually the same seller that I bought the Saab that my wife drives from, and they're the representative or whatever not here. They never send anybody from the dealership to close the deals. Every bid is always an if sale, so it's kind of a pain in the butt, to be honest with you. But what this is a 2006 Mercedes E-Class E350 4matic. It only has 131,000 miles, which is really, that's really pretty darn low for an 06. But this thing is mint. It's got the nice burled wood. These things are always bashed in or broken, but the upholstery and just all the burl and wood and just everything is just so good on this car. The headliner is clean. It's a 3-owner car. I don't know why they have the steering wheel cover on here, because it's actually, here, I'm just gonna take it off. It's deteriorated just a little bit, but it's actually in really pretty good shape. It's just a great look, a great running and driving rig. All the options work. Sunroof, air's cold. It's just a great old Benz. Let's take her for a drive. I'm a sucker for any E-Class, man, especially the old school kind. This is a W211 chassis that came out in 03. You don't see as many of those. You don't see many of the 03s anymore. Seems like most of those have ended up in the junkyard by now. But these 06 and later, they're really good cars, especially if they've had the recall done on them on the what is that, SBC, whatever. This has the new pump. And it has 35 service records on the Carfax, so it is in excellent maintenance, excellent condition. First owner, it did start its life out in Pennsylvania, which explains why a 4matic is down here in Tennessee. You don't see many 4matics down here, but it did start out in Pennsylvania, but it was only like a 2-year lease, and then it was sold certified star mark, if Mercedes still uses that term, and then it's been down here in Tennessee ever since. Tons and tons of service history. Transmission services, differential services, all the fluids always serviced. Everything has always been stayed on top of, and it is just a great rig. Only one other person really bidding against me on this thing. I was really surprised. I thought with the great Carfax and good condition it was in, I would have a little more competition, but only one other guy was bidding against me, so I was high bidder at $3,800. So let's just hope. They wanted $4,500 for the Saab, and they took $3,000, so let's hope we're pretty close. I'm willing to go up a little more just due to the great condition of the car. Yeah, it's just nice. It has navigation matters from 2006, but it has power rear sunshade, which works. It's got heated seats. That's nice. Just the premium package adds a lot. It adds Harman Kardon sound system, so that's good. It had a big old thing of books and the window sticker. This pewter colored paint was a $700 option. We'll get out here and do a little walk around. Just a testament to its dealer maintenance. This car is still riding on Continental tires, which is what it would have come with new back in '06. But look at that thing. Is that not beautiful? Beautiful color. I mean, nearly new tires. Headlights could use a little polish and buff. But I mean, it's just an amazing condition. The wheels aren't corroded. They're not really curb rashed. I like these nice little Mercedes Benz mats. That's nice. Those look a little newer, actually. I mean, just a clean car. So, I should know here probably within an hour or so if this baby's coming home with us. Still got the tag on it. Great looking rig, y'all. 2006 e350 4matic. I would expect to see some more videos and content on this one, because by golly, I'm going to end up with this thing. I don't care. I'll go up. I'm willing to go up a little bit more, so or a good bit more actually. It's just that nice and that well worth it. It's hard to find a good, well sorted E350 that doesn't have, you know, some sort of service needs. This one has seen dealer maintenance at Mercedes Benz of Chattanooga all the way to the end. All the way to the end, or all the way up until now. So that's her. Let's hope we get her. Oh, these maps are so old and kind of dim. A lot of times these are really badly scratched, but this one's in good shape. Got just a little bit of cracking in the wood, but I mean, it's not too bad. It's not terrible. Just a good clean E350. I love it. Love it. Yeah. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.